Welcome to La Romana, Dominican Republic. Wait till you see this tour. It's a complete port tour. When you're visiting here, this is the only video you need to see. Let's get on with it, Todd. Welcome to La Romana, Carnival Horizon. Thanks for getting us here safely. And don't forget to like and subscribe because we got all kinds of videos on cruising. And follow us on Instagram, Alongforthejourney with dots in there. I'll put a link down in the description. And welcome again to the Dominican Republic, the DR. There's the band playing. All right, you get off and you go through the tax and duty free shop here. This is one of the stores or the shops that's duty free. If you want to take stuff back, get it duty free, tax free. All kinds of shopping stuff in here. There's coffee. This is the famous drink in the Dominican Republic. It's called Mama Juana. Lots of duty free alcohol in this place to take back on your ship. And they got lots of tastings. But if you want to go where we're hanging today, you look for the lighthouse. You go through the other end. Oh, they got some cool art here. This over here looks like a little splash zone. Splash zone, kids. They got one here. You look at the flamingos behind here. All right, this says it all. It's beer o'clock somewhere. Coconut water tastes like happiness. Little bar right here. I love the outdoor market area here with the birds, parrots. Oh, there's a Nathan's food truck. Now, if you find the lighthouse, that's where the pool area is. You can see where the cruise ship parks. So I wonder if you can get up there. We're gonna have to go up there and see if you, looks like you can get up to that first deck. And yes, you can go up in this lighthouse. I'm gonna show you some great views of this place. It's $5 to go up. I'll be doing that, don't worry. And there's my wife. She got a prime chair right in the front. There's the pool area. A beautiful little pool area, and it's gonna be a hot day, so you wanna be close to this. And they got an indoor bar here as well. Right here by the pool area. You can see the pool in the background. You turn around from that, it's the famous Nathan hot dogs. Burgers, hot dogs. Now these are not included when you come here, but you can see their menu here. Chicken tenders, hot dogs, burgers, nuggets. Oh my God, look at all these birds. Walk in here and see. Hey, there's a ton of flamingos here, for sure. Surprisingly, there's a lot of shopping in this area. Oh, look at these murals. Does this scream the Dominican Republic? That's where La Romana is. Dominican. You can see him painting here, but right across the way in this building over here is a drugstore and market. Anything you forgot on the ship is probably in here, or any snacks you want. I see some drinks and some chips. Just like a little general store. All right, there's something you want on a hot day. Love Pops. Look at all the flavors they got here. Popsicles. That's a Love Pop. That's coconut. That thing is incredible. I don't even like coconut. You know I was coming up this lighthouse. Let's start to climb. I don't know if you can go all the way to the top, but you're going to see some great views of your cruise ship and the overlooks here. And of course, the La Romana pool. We're still climbing. Oh man, this is higher than I thought. There's your pool area in La Romana. And every video I've ever watched, I've never seen anybody sitting on this side because it's hot here in the Dominican. So yes, you only get to that first level. It's $5 to come up here. But this is for the channel. We'll do a 360 up here so you can just see the whole thing. There's the ocean side. Poolside. And then out here is the entryway. All the markets, all the straw markets, all the places to shop. And way in the distance is more Dominican Republic. And right down there is my wife. I don't know if I'm pointing to her, but she's right in there. So the bottom line on the lighthouse, if you want some incredible views, you should probably come up here because there is a great view all the way around. And as I suspected, you can't get all the way up to the top. At least I haven't figured out how to do it. Underline store? What is that? It's like cups, mugs, shirts, hats. That's a neat store. I love the ceiling too. Umbrellas. There's Michael Jackson himself is in the Dominican Republic. That's pretty cool. Now, right past the market and the stores there, you turn around. There's a couple bars. There's one over there. I see some frozen drinks. Here's another bar on the opposite side. But if you keep walking through here, you're going to see an information desk and a lot of places where your tours are going to meet. This is where the bus is, and if you want taxi service, it's back in this spot right here. Taxis, parking, information, restrooms. There's more open market stuff over this way. Now, one thing you got to remember about La Romana is it's not only a place that you stop. This is a starting point for a lot of cruise ships. Out here on the other end is you'll see some security checkpoints because people start their cruises in La Romana. How is it? There's the information desk right here, but out here's where your taxis and buses are for people that booked excursions. We're just gonna hang out by the port. There goes a bus, VIATOR. This must be a Wi-Fi hotspot where these parrots are hanging around in the trees. So unique. I don't know how Michael's staying cool here because it's hot. It's definitely a neat little port to visit and get off the ship. Don't stay on the ship in these ports. Support these local people and at least come out and maybe get in the splash zone or the pool area. And there's a lot of shopping as well. Oh, look at this guy in La Romana. There's the other side of that tax duty free. But over here is more stuff. And you can actually see how close your cruise ship parks. I thought it might have been a tender stop, the way they were acting on Carnival, but no, you pull right up here. No tender needed. Dominican things. This building's got some AC in it. Oh, that's cool. They got a Piranha Joe's here. This is all the locations they have. We were at the one, I think, in Nassau, Bahamas. Now you see where all these lounge chairs are. This is the overflow. This is when you don't get off early. You're gonna be sitting over here, but you can at least get a good shot of your ship and the captain's view up there today. And there's a good shot of the ship as well. People are still getting off. And you can see where they tie up this ship. Now where these chairs are, it is full of sand, so it is very beachy and you can walk along here. And I tell you, they got some palm trees, so you are in the shade a little bit here. And there's that lighthouse. I keep seeing them pull umbrellas out of here. That must be where they store the umbrellas inside the lighthouse. And look over on this side, more chairs. More chairs to sit. Plenty of seating here. Don't worry about that. So another seating there. If you want to sit by the ocean, you can come out this way. You can see there's a glass shield the whole way around, but you get to at least sit by the ocean if you don't want to sit by the pool. One thing about La Romana is there is no beach access. You got to leave this port to get to the beaches. And there's my wife. She got off this boat early to get us this spot by the pool. Because I'll be in this very shortly. It's hot today. So let's just walk around the pool because I want to see what's on the other side here. I see a lookout here or maybe some tables. I'm not sure what this pool is. I guess it's a little kiddie pool. But you go over on this side and you can see the swim up bar a little better. And there is a lifeguard on duty. There you go. That's the swim up bar. Now, opposite that swim up bar here is this place. It's another bar. Of course, why wouldn't they have more bars? But out here, they got a cool little lookout. Is this beautiful or what? You can come out here, sit and have some lunch, bring your Nathans over here, and have this view like this. Incredible, right? Let's just do a swing around here so you can see the whole deck. Fantastic view. See, there's the opposite side. If I was you, come to this side. It doesn't seem to be as crowded.
You try to fit it all in this bubble bag of yours, and never let it run away from your sight.
Chin Chin Bean to Bar. Cool place here. One of my favorite chocolate stores. I think it's called Chin Chin. We've got one in Amber Cove before. Some of the best chocolate you'll have. And now, it's just time to get off this lighthouse and get in that water because I'm hot and I deserve it today. All right, it's time to get in here. I hope it's warm. Oh, it's very warm. And I will tell you one thing, when you're visiting any Caribbean place, make sure you've got suntan lotion on because it's hot here and the sun, you're very close to the equator. We're in La Romana, honey. It's hot. You just never know when the weather is going to change in the Dominican Republic. La Romana.